Check this out, everybody. We started a trend. They want to be like Shane and Bob. Shane and Bob.
Yeah.
It's even a Dodge Caravan, dude. It's kind of scary. All right, we had 640 pounds. Wow. $80 a net ton. Are you serious? For $25.60. $80 a net ton. That is freaking tragic. Wow. So in a previous video, when Bob and I were out dumpster diving, we found these signs. And so I am going to turn these into some garage sale signs. There's Nala. Hi, Nala. You're like, oh my gosh, you're overspraying on your grill. Well, that grill is going to the scrapyard, so I'm not too concerned about overspray. So this metal here is going to go on that rack right there. I'm going to take that Open Saturday sign down and hang this on it. And Diane's going to cut some vinyl for all this. So, just going to hit this while this is down here. This is kind of our painting table out on the deck. These are for various projects. I think not bad. I got 2 more to do, but I'm sure I don't have enough spray paint, so I will update you later on. All right, so we got the frames painted, and they turned out pretty good. And then on a previous episode of this show, we picked up a bunch of this vinyl out of the dumpster from a sign shop, and Diane is cutting it out for me right now. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Then we're going to put it onto the sign frames. All right, so we put the vinyl on here. It's kind of hard to see. So we get the vinyl on here, and you can see it's carving out the word sale. You can kind of see, it's kind of hard to see. But, so then I'll show you once it's all done how we apply it. Then I'll show you the finished product. So next we're going to take this piece of contact paper and we're going to just put it right over the top. And just use a piece of plastic or something just to kind of make sure it attaches pretty good. And then this should peel right off. Like that. Okay, so now let's take my painted surface here. And I'm going to put that about like that, more or less. Okay. Then I'm just going to rub down hard on it. And slowly peel it away. You kind of want to peel it away at a 45-degree angle. Like that. Rub it down nice and tight. And then when you're done, you'll end up with something that looks a lot like this. It's kind of hard to get it all in the camera. So yeah, I know it's upside down for you, but it gives you the idea. Now let me show you what it looks like when it stands up. There you go. So we've taken an old nasty looking realtor sign and turned it into a real nice garage sale sign that we could use over and over. And now I've only got 4 more to do, and those will be ready for the garage sale this week. All right, we got 1 more sign that I've got to do yet. It's drying out in the garage right now, but there are 3. We did run out of the gold colored vinyl, so we did have to finish up with black, but I still think all in all people aren't going to get confused with other people's signs. These have a very distinct look to them. So anyway, I think it turned out very well, and I'm very stoked about it. So now let's use them. Hey, thanks Diane for your help.
No problem.
So yeah, I just moved this trash can back, and Bob said he was sitting right there underneath it. Believe that? I think he's like, if I don't move, maybe they won't see I'm here. This is the beginning of the yard sale. We've barely scratched the surface on all the stuff we've collected. Yeah, all that. So we still got more in that shed. Still got a few items in that shed. Still got stuff in the back of this barn, and we still got some in the corner of that shed. So, and we are beat, so we're going to cover this up for tonight. Come back here at 6:30 in the morning and start. And nothing is priced, so hopefully we'll just make deals on it until we can get things priced. But there's just too much. There's too much stuff, and I'm already worn out. I'm already to just say, take it. $5, it's all yours. So anyway, all right, see you in the morning. Okay guys, it is the day of the sale. It is like 45 minutes in, and just want to give you a pan here and show you what is on the docket. So yeah, so we've already pulled in a handful of money. I'll show you that in a second. But we got our wash tub. Guy's coming back for this saw. We tested it. It does work. It is broken up here. A guy pointed out to us earlier, but we plugged it in. It does work, and Bob's got $25 for that. He's gonna come back for that. So here's some miscellaneous stuff here that we've picked up. The window sashes, the buckets, tools. A lot of this stuff, most of this stuff is probably from our video channel, from our dumpster diving. So how much do you think we've made this so far this morning? Because I've been putting up signs. Bob should, he's just seen this big wad of cash in his hand. He's like, yeah, do something with this.
Them people must have bought $65, $70 with this stuff.
65 include.
That's why I told them 25 for that.
Yeah. So is that including the saw, or
No.
60 bucks, and then on top of that they bought the saw. So yeah. So awesome. Crazy. So
If you come to my yard sale, I'll make you one deal. Won't take it all, and then look at the money you'd make.
look at the opportunity Bob has for you here.
I even got it set out for you. Come and see me. Let's make a deal.
Just back it up, right?
Just back
Back it right up in the driveway. So, all right, I'm going to do a live stream here in a little bit, but now I feel better just that everything's done. Well, so far we've had a pretty good day. It's been pretty blustery. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon or so, and I'll pan around here to show you what, if you can tell me if you think the pile's gone down at all. So there's Bob talking with the customer. So we have moved some stuff, we've made some deals, but there's still so much of it left. The weather is saying that it's going to rain by 4 o'clock today and all day tomorrow. So I don't know really what this means for us, if we're going to just eventually box up stuff, take it to Goodwill and scrap the metal. I don't know, but I'll give you an update here in a little bit on how we did money-wise, but overall it's been a pretty good day. Well guys, if you remember when we started this morning, we had tables all along there. We've managed to condense this stuff here, what we have left. I don't know what's going on. We were ready to call this at 2 o'clock, and then 2 people showed up. In the meantime, we had made a decision that we were going to close it down for the day, come back tomorrow just 8 to 10, and everything was going to be $1. And as people started showing up, we started saying, why wait? So we're telling everybody everything is $1, and people are literally loading up, and it is fantastic. So because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, I was concerned about leaving this stuff out overnight, But yeah, I could not be more pleased. So we're going to go get a cool drink here in a little bit and count the money, and we will let you know how we did. All right, well, those last ladies left. We're going to wrap this up, but this is all we got left. So I think we did pretty good. Now let's go count the money. All right, well, let's see what we got here. Nice, nice even number, 40, 340 plus some quadas.
340, right?
Yep, 340.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 50.
346.50. What do you think?
Should have sucked. We should have 500.
That's better than our best scrap day.
Yeah.
All right, well, cheers. Salud.
Good job, brother.
Good job. Well, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are back here at the property today. It's about 9 o'clock on a Saturday morning. As you can see, there's the rest of the garage sale stuff left over. The plan was that we were going to do a garage sale today from 8 to 10, everything $1. And unfortunately, Bob called me last night. I shouldn't say unfortunately, but he called me last night and he's like, I'm done. I am garage saled out. I don't want to even be down there for 2 more hours tomorrow. And I respect that. So what we're going to do is we're going to load up his car with Goodwill, my car with metal, and figure out the rest of it as we go. So yeah, that's the plan. Morning, sunshine. Another day, another $1.
What do you want to buy? What do you want to take?
So you're garage saled out, huh?
Oh man, if I ever. I was so sore last night.
Really?
Oh man. I can't hardly move. So they're going to do it this morning. I don't really want to.
Yeah. I don't blame you. I don't blame you in one iota. So.
You want to do it?
No, I'm good.
Think you're good?
I'm good. We'll just, like I said, I think we'll throw the metal in mine, put Goodwill in yours, put stuff we want to keep back in the shed, and call it done.
Putting stuff over there.
For what? Stuff we're keeping?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You know, the things that surprise me is like that.
Yeah, I mean, I thought somebody would like that.
Harley Davidson Motors. You know, we had it on there for $1 last night. Nobody took it. Not even those boys. There's teenage boys that came in. You think they would have been like, oh yeah, that's cool. No. Not this
have the plastic trucks.
Yeah, this plastic phone we pulled out of the dumpster, out of the
all in all, I think we had a very positive garage
yeah,
sale.
it's so cool when I first saw it.
I think it's maybe too early to just
couldn't get it out
starting over
for it.
3, 2, 1.
What do I know? Apparently.
Couldn't even get a quarter, I don't think.
Yeah, exactly. So, all right. Well, let's get to work. All right. Well, I got the scrap metal loaded up in my van. Bob's got the Goodwill stuff up in his van. It's a good thing we decided to go this route because we're getting rained out heavily.
Well, everyone, I think we had a very great garage sale. I think it's too soon to say whether or not we'll do it again, but we sure had a blast doing it. Take care of yourselves, everyone. Have a great weekend, and we will see you at the next dumpster. Peace out, everybody.